So, New Year is coming, and unfortunately for most of us, that means that exam season is right here. So, in this video, I present you my exam season survival kit. First one is God is in charge. God or universe or nature, whatever you believe in, you should remember that if you are meant to get a grade or fail or succeed, there is nothing in this world that could prevent that. You've definitely had situations where you studied and put effort in but failed, or you didn't really study and didn't really prepare but you succeeded, because if something is meant to be, it is going to happen. But you should do 3 things. First of all, do your best. Prepare as much as you can when you can. Secondly, believe in yourself. So you have to believe in the best outcome there is, even if you're not sure in yourself. Then trust the universe. So if you've got the result, you should believe that that result is the one that is best for you. However, you should remember that your best is different every day. So maybe you had a headache or you weren't feeling well, and that's completely fine. We are humans, so do not be hard on yourself. It doesn't matter what you could do or could not have done, because what you did was your best. My next advice would be always pack a snack for afterwards, because I think that's when the brain gets the idea that, oh wait, this is not the end. There is going to be an after, and I'm going to survive this. I'm still going to need food, water, which means that I will be okay. Despite the result I get, I will survive and continue my life. My next advice would be plan something to look forward to so that it can motivate you to get the work done and maybe watch a film you like or go out with your friends, whatever that is. Sometimes it can be a little bit anxious because you're scared that maybe if you fail then you won't deserve it, but I definitely think that it can motivate you to do better and then just enjoy your life to the fullest. Whether it's an exam season or just your life, do not compare your road to others. It doesn't matter if they're doing better than you or worse than you. You should only be comparing your own progresses between each other to have a normal and harmonical state of mind. So reward yourself and be proud of yourself despite the results. Remember what you had to go through in order to be where you are right now. So it doesn't matter what you did or what you did not do. It matters that you tried and you are great. I love you and thank you for watching.